Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to turn off manual tag approval on Instagram. When you turn off this option, all tags that other users add to your photos and videos will be automatically approved and will immediately appear on your profile. This means that whenever someone tags you in their photos or videos, those tags will automatically be visible on your profile without needing your manual approval. Let's get started. Open your Instagram. Then, tap on your profile in the bottom right corner. Once you're on your profile, tap the three lines in the top right corner to open the settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down a bit, find the option labeled Tags and Mentions, and tap it. Now find the option Manually Approve Tags and toggle the switch next to it. Then tap Turn Off in the pop-up window. And that's it for this tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like it and consider subscribing to my channel. See you very soon, and thank you so much for watching.